Hi guys, this is Syedmukarram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. As we know, we are covering the Tableau series. Today is a session for time series forecasting in Tableau. Let's get started with the topic and let's see what we have for today. So this is the data for what we are using for long-term unemployment statistics. This is USA data. So let's see what we have in the data. Let's go to the view this data. And we have like age wise, gender wise, period wise unemployment. This is, as I said, United States data for the unemployment, age wise, for gender and periods. So we have like in-depth detail of like within months and how many years of like age wise category with gender, and we have each month of data. As you could see, it's from 2005, and we have till so on till 2015. So we have almost 10 years of data of US unemployment. So let's see how we can do this in like forecast time series forecasting. Like we need to find out the unemployment monthly wise in depth detail, the granularity of the data. So let's see what we can do over here. Time series forecasting, how to forecast the data depend on the time or situation. So we need to find the unemployment. So let's double click on unemployment first, and then we need to double click on periods and see how beautiful we got the data over here in Tableau. And that is all over here. We could see that it has by default took the Tableau has taken by default into time series. So like we have years of data like 2005 to 2015. I just did double click the unemployed value and measures and dimension as like period. So it took by default the time series forecasting into years of data what we have in the period. But wait, what we have over here is just particular year over here, just 2005, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, and where is the month? Where does things goes on is like that is all about granularity. Granularity is like basically in-depth detail of the data, because I just don't want an year from unemployment data. I just want in-depth like monthly wise data along with the year. So let's check how we can do that. So I'm going into this is the dimension. I'm going into the dimension. Period is the dimension, and just we have two type of data over here, like years, quarterly, day wise or more, and then year, quarterly, monthly and weekly data. Let's click first over here by month over here in the first session. Look what our data looks totally different over here, but let's see what happened over here. As if I could see over here, it's the data completely converted into months like January, February, March, April to so on December. But wait, where the years gone? We do want completely with years of data. We do have from 2005 to 2015. So there will be n number like 10 number of January, February, March, April and so on till December. So where is our data? So see what Tableau is doing over here is converting this into dimension. So we don't want this to be converted into dimension because we are dealing with in-depth detail of data. So measurement, we need to convert this into measurement. And how we can do this, let's see. I could able to see, or we could able to see the data what we have in the other section too is showing the month. Just click that over here as of now, and let's see how data will be showing us. Oh, right now we could see, guys, like the data what we have is showing in-depth detail of granularity, that is showing each and every month in the year what we have covering in the data. So you could see all over from 2005 Feb to Jan to completely in-depth detail of data, and we are getting like till 2013. So this is what it in-depth data looks like completely. And if I do see, because if I was having show me over here, so that's why my data was not looking completely. And if I hide it, show me, and it is showing me complete data till 2015 Feb. Let's check, is it exactly what we have the data of all about? Yes. So the period what we have is of 1 and 2005, that is of related to first month, and then we have completely till 2015 Feb. You can see over here, that's great. And that's what we got, in-depth data from Jan to completely 2015 Feb. So this is what in-depth granularity in Tableau, where we can do time forecasting regarding on based on situation. If you need, it's again depend on the situation. If you want the data to be like in variable type time series, or if you want like if you want in the measurement type, or if you don't want in the measurement type, so it's all depend on you. If you want this into the dimension overall data just to be showed in just year, it will be that will be showing just into years, like an year of data till 2005 to 2015. And if you want the data to be shown over here like just month completely overall, as we seen previously, then it will be showing your month. And just in depth just day wise, see guys, day wise will be so day or period, so it will be showing as just 1 mark because it's a huge data. So just a day wise it may is showing. So quarterly, so we can do quarterly over here, just 3 quarters it's showing. So this is just overview of data, just because we are choosing depend on that dimension data we are choosing, and it will be just give a categorizing our data. Let's see how data looks like into month in the category. So double click over here. So this is what Tableau is doing, is categorizing the data like month into category. Like we have periods into category over here, and it will give just what type of month we have, 12 months. So it is categorizing into just 12 months, instead of what we need in-depth detail of the granularity of data is like every month should be there along with the year. So for that, as we did previously, we need to choose from this all over to second month in the second section in dimensions and like measures overall in depth. So now we could see the granularity of in-depth data. Granularity means, as I said you, it's in-depth data what you want from the data set. So you could see we can forecasting in-depth monthly wise along with the years and so on. And you can see over here, let's check the formula what we have. Now we can have department like date trunk along with the month and period. So that's all what we have for today, and along with that we can do more thing over here. Like we could see that basically over here we could see that granularity of data is just line. We could see that simply we have like it's in-depth detail, we are not seeing the lines over here. So we can give the line markers in-depth detail. So we can choose over this. See, in depth we can have small dots overall. This is like months, so we could able to see how beautiful our data will be looking like in the time series forecasting for the unemployment period of this is US data till 2015. So we are getting in-depth data by default, like in-depth regarding like in-depth and monthly data along with the years of 10 years of data of USA. And showing over here the graph is so high over here. In April 2010 unemployment is like it's like more than 70 lakh over here. So that's it guys, that's it for the today's topic, and I hope you're enjoying the video. And if you have any doubt on the time series forecasting data, I will be like I will be querying solving your query or any questions on this. So time series forecasting, I'll be writing your comments. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.